Hello friends, Yash Mehta here. So in the last week analysis video that we have shared, we have discussed about the Nifty, which was already very bullish, and we have discussed some of the stocks as well. So let's check the performance of those particular stocks also. So this is a tracker sheet that I have shared already, and I will be sharing it again in the description section. So as you can see that these stocks we have discussed in the last 2-3 videos, and also I have shared about the Escort, Sundaram, and Syngene in the last week, which are up by 4% and 3%. Apart from this, the target in Reliance, Heidelberg, and Spandana got hit in last week itself. These stocks were shared on the last week video, and as you can see, the Spandana had given around 39% returns in in just 5 days. So let's check the chart and see how it moved. So, so this is Pandana chart, so basically, we were targeting for a breakout above 642, and have clearly told to start accumulating at 577. Stop loss would be 520, and as you can see, it had already hit the target of 760, and it went till 816. And I have given an exit on Twitter and on Telegram channel to exit this particular stock, has it hit our target already, and we have booked a profit at around 800 levels. As you can see, 804, and we have booked 39% profit in just 1 week. So let's check about the market analysis for this week. So as you can see, Nifty had already broke its all-time high in the last week itself, and now this all-time high level would be a support for Nifty. The particularly support would be at 15,431. If let's say if market comes down to this particular level, then I will start accumulating some of the stocks for short-term purpose for swing trade. So one can look for this support level in the next week also. And currently the market is buy on dips, and one should continue to hold their position for short term as well as for long term. Apart from this, I have shared a detailed analysis on my own on our website. So I will share the link for the detailed analysis of the market. I have explained everything, like what can be the possible support, resistance for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the sectors that are bullish. So currently the Nifty reality sector, as you can see, it is the fresh sector that is becoming positive, and some of the stock in this can give good returns in the short term. So in this blog, I have shared some of the real estate sector stocks as well. So as you can see, Suntech Realty is one of them. Second is Oberoi Reality. So one can check this blog, the chart here, and can plan out their own trades. And so check out this so that it can help in your analysis as well. So let's discuss about the stocks that are positive for that are looking good for the next week. And also there is one bonus stock which in the and I will be sharing it in the last part of this video. So watch till the end. So that stock is in two digits, or it is around trading at around 11 to 15 rupees currently, and it has a target of 50%. So it is a bonus stock, so watch the video till end. So let's discuss with the first stock. So as you can see, SBI Life weekly chart. So currently the stock is consolidating near this resistance level, and we can expect a breakout about this all-time high resistance 1030. So one can start buying at current price and start accumulating at this level. Stop loss would be 850 and target would be 1550. So this target is calculated after the breakout. And how I arrive at this target, I will explain the range calculation part again, because some of the viewers and friends had problem in understanding that. So let's start. So basically, this is a resistance line for SBI Life. What was the high when SBI Life was trading under below this resistance level? So this is the high level. So this is the high, this is the low. So these two levels are important for us now. So I will be plotting the range. So I have selected rectangle, and I will be plotting this till this low level, and simply I will add this range above the resistance line for SBI Life. And as you can see, this is a particular target which we can see in SBI Life. So this particular level is at around 1550 currently. So this is how we arrived at a target based on the range calculation. So SBI Life is a sort of positional trade because we will be holding it for around 6 months to 12 months horizon. So plan your trade accordingly, and stop loss is little big in this case also with the with the big target as well. The second stock is Nerolec Industry, inside Nerolec daily time frame. So currently the stock is consolidating and trading and in this particular range, and this range is now becoming narrower. So basically this is a triangle pattern as we say. So one can start buying at the CMP, or one can, if a conservative trader can wait for a breakout above 595. After a breakout, or if one is buying at current price, so one can keep a stop loss at around 560 and target would be 690. So in this case also we have calculated target based on the range calculation only. So this is the high for when it was trading in this particular range, and this is the low. And I will add this about this particular rectangle, and as you can see we have got the target of 689.3, which is around 690 level. So Kansai Nerolec can be watched for next week and can be accumulated also. So another stock is Kalyan Jewelers. So there is some unique pattern happening in the recent IPOs, and uh, I will first show a chart of Is My Trip, in which we have booked around 100% profit. So as you can see here, so this was the IPO all-time high. It gave a breakout above this level and then it rallied straight. Another one is Craft. So as you can see, this is the all-time high for this was the all-time high. It gave a breakout above this level and then it went up straight. So this was also a trade I shared on Twitter, on our Twitter ID. Another one is scams. I will share. So just look at this pattern which all the recent IPOs are creating, and then they are rallying. So basically, this was the all-time high during the IPO. It gave a breakout about this, and then the stock had continuously went up. So similarly in Kalyan Jewelers also there is the same pattern. But I would suggest you to buy above 81 only. Don't buy at current price. Wait for a breakout above this 81 level, and after a breakout, the target can be 105 and stop loss would be 65. So this is the unique pattern which all the IPOs are creating nowadays, and one can watch Kalyan Jewelers also for short term. Another stock is Alembic. So Alembic is now currently trading in this particular resistance level, and it has formed a rounded bottom or base, as you can say. So if we see it is trading in this particular below this resistance and forming a base for around 231 days, which is roughly around 8 months, and it had given a breakout in last month itself, and now it is consolidating at this level above the resistance. If I open a daily chart, so as you can see, this was a breakout candle, and after breakout it went up. It retraced to this resistance level, it again went up, it retraced to this resistance level. It is not willing to come down. So basically there is strong supply, strong demand at this particular level for Alembic. So one can start to buy at current price of 125. Stop loss would be 103 and target would be 160 in this case. Another stock is Alchem Labs. So Alchem had given a breakout. Alchem weekly chart. So this was an all-time high level for Alchem, and it was a resistance for Alchem. Now it had given a breakout about this particular resistance level, as you can see here. So one can start buying at current price of 3164. And as you can see, the breakout is also very strong with the strong backed by strong volumes. So one can start buy at 3164 level. Stop loss would be 2900 and target would be 3750. It is also based on the range calculation only. We are using the same methodology for all our target calculation in this case. So one can check out for Alchem Labs as in short term. And this is the bonus stock which I am sharing. Yes Bank. So this is a risky bet. So, but the risk currently is very less. So I will share what the pattern is all about. So this pattern is called as volatility contraction pattern. And what happened in this is there is a one big candle like this, and then the smaller candles are formed in this particular range only. The high and low are not above or below this particular range. So as you can see, this is a volatility contraction pattern. The price is now congested, and is and can it, and the price can blast at any point of time. So one can wait for a breakout above 14.2 level, particularly this high, and one can buy above the breakout 14.2. Stop loss would be 12.5, and the specialty of this is we can expect a target of 50 to 100% in this case. And also this pattern was similar to the Spandana Spurti that we have shared last week. So I will open the chart of Spandana Spurti again, so and you will realize the same pattern in that also. Here it is. So here it is, one big candle. Smaller candles are formed in this range, and when this range breaks, it the price move up sharply. So as you can see, the price went up. Uh, so I will just calculate. After this breakout, the price went up by 25%. So this is the momentum which a stock have after the breakout. And so one can track Yes Bank. Also, it is a risky bet. So allocate proper capital to this, and one can watch out for this in short term for short term purpose. And I'm expecting at least 50% target in this. So this is all about the market analysis and the stocks that we are discussing for short term. Don't forget to like this video if you learned anything, and if you like our analysis, and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos in the future. uh, Also, if you want, you can follow us on Twitter, where I'm regularly updating about the market and some of the charts I'm sharing there. And you can follow us on Telegram. Also, these are the link for Twitter and Telegram channel, so you can join us and connect with us on this particular IDs. There is a disclaimer also with this video. So we are not SEBI registered, and we have shared this analysis for only education and study purpose. Don't take any trade based on the analysis shared in this video. You will be responsible for the profit and loss that you incur on the trade that you take. So before taking any trade or so consult your financial advisor as well, and have a proper trading plan before executing your trade. Thank you guys.